Hey, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is going to be a how to repair video on this unit there. This is a older unit, 1995 or 6 model, so it's been around 20 something years. Just a little bit of information about us. We're a repair place by trade is what we do, but we are a dealer for the Gallagher and Power Wizard brand. So if you got looking for a new fence charger or some kind of electric fence equipment of some sort, or even a cattle scale and low bar by Gallagher, we'll help you out with that. But I'm a repair guy by trade. That's what I like to do. I like to work on stuff, fix things for people. So that's what we're going to do with this one. So I could probably get a guy a new unit, but we'll oh, looks like it's been repaired once. It was repaired back in July 2010, so it's been repaired once before. Looks like it's missing some of the screws and things in this thing, so it's probably been taken apart by somebody. So let's get the right tool to pull this thing apart. Alright, I gotta drill out drill out one rivet here. Hey, can I borrow your regular drill? Power cord right there. Some of the mounts for the screws are broken. There's, how's that from? Oh. All right, let's pull this off. Basically it right there. It's a solid state board. It's kind of all in one deal. So I'll pull these little metal tabs off there. There's another bolt. I'm going to pull that thing up for a second. Alright, so I'm going to grab another board for it. I got a new board for it, but I need to get these plates out of it because it doesn't come with any of the new plates for whatever reason. So let me I need these plates are for the core of the transformer that help the voltage from the primary to the secondary side through induction, allow it to build itself up. They use an iron core transformer for this one. So they're not, everyone's like, well, I got those magnets. They're not magnets. They are just lamination plates called E's and I's, what they're technically called. I'm going to show you why here in a second. because they're just, I mean, they are magnetized, or you know, they'll stick to a magnet, but they're not actually magnets themselves. Take the top plate off of it. There's some of there's the eyes, and you can see why they're called an E. Come on. Oh. Cheap little thing. I just want to put, there's the rest of the E's, but there's, put these in first. So it doesn't really matter which way they go in. They can go this side or this side. It won't really matter. And then we'll put these right here. These bigger ones. Put on top and bottom. You got this little gap right there. There's a little spot right there. That's where these slide in at. Alright, take some of this tape here. Basically the same stuff that they used on it before. Hold these plates in place. Alright, so that's going to sit right here, but we need to put these little metal clips back on here again. That's what helps hold the terminal bolts for your fencing ground in place. And these slide through the top. That. And this thing here to help hold them in place, the bolts, so they don't slide out. And then this was missing some of the hardware for the bolts. Let me see if I got another wing nut that'll fit. So the right one. We got a couple extra bolts here, so we'll put those there. A couple little washers, I mean. Here's their factory one that came with it. I think this is the right size. We'll find out here in a second. Come on. There we go. So that's the right size. So this cord goes up here, comes through the case like that, and there you go. So it's just like that. And put back over it. You know, see, it's missing these two things. One was right there, like that. The other one's over here, but those two are broken. So we're going to have to we can't put a rivet back in this. Well, you can, but I don't have a rivet gun to do it. So we'll put a long screw in it. Back up just a little bit. Starting to crack and break too. Alright, we're going to find the screws or for this one.
Okay, take this one apart.
Yeah, we might be able to fix it.
That's what the front comes off.
Yeah, the 4 screws.
Okay. I think they're all 3 the same. I think there's 3 in there. And boom. Out goes the line.
Shoot. That took far to find those screws. Only thing this thing was missing was it's missing that little orange lens that goes right here for the block off the light bulb. We'll plug this in. It should work unless there's something wrong inside this plug. There it goes. So this unit's all fixed up, ready to go. So we're going to call the customer up, make sure they're okay with it. If they are, we'll get it squared away for them and done. But this one electrically and is good to go. Only thing I'm going to do is I'll see if I can find another little lens to put on there. If I can't, we'll just cover it up with something, piece of tape. Alright, well, until next time, see you guys later on. If you need any help with repairs or parts or whatever, or looking for a new fence charger or recommendations, give us a call. But happy to help you out. Till next time, see you later.